Okay, folks, this is called interactive art. The kids are going to start signing these works of art as a kids teaching kids. Moment.
I love it on the street too.
Here they are. They're having lunch, and there's more coming down the hall. And what's on the floor? The markers.
Let's be smart guys. Come on.
And here we are. They have to pledge by putting their name on it that they will have grit, self-control. There's some of the students. There's more around. There we go.
Because if she didn't, if
Now watch how this works, folks.
Yeah, absolutely.
Ooh, I forgot about this one.
Did you tell your sister that you're not taking the cats to Florida?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're at it.
Because I would hate for you
And
guys.
if I end up staying here until January anyways, and I realized that was an option, I'll just have to do that. I know I didn't. Can we go? Yeah.
No.
So I can talk about it.
This is Quinn Barker.
Just one or more than one?